Unveiling the Fun of TV Trivia. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a really exciting topic that's not just useful for your English skills but also great fun: the meaning and usage of TV trivia. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to add another interesting phrase to your English vocabulary. Let's start by breaking the phrase into two parts: TV and trivia. The term TV is simply an abbreviation for television, which I'm sure you all know is a device for watching shows, news, movies, and more. Trivia, on the other hand, refers to details or pieces of information that are interesting, fun, and often not widely known. They are like little facts or tidbits about a wide range of topics. When we combine these two terms, TV trivia specifically refers to interesting facts or information about television shows. This can include details about the cast and crew, behind-the-scenes secrets, interesting events that occurred during filming, and much more. Engaging with TV trivia can be a fantastic way for you to learn English. It's not just about memorizing facts. It's about engaging with the language in a fun and entertaining way. When you explore TV trivia, you expand your vocabulary with a variety of new words and expressions. Improve listening skills by hearing how native speakers talk about their favorite shows. Learn cultural references that are often tied to popular TV shows and can be found in everyday conversation. Now, how can you use TV trivia in actual conversations? It's great for breaking the ice and starting conversations. For example, you could say, "Did you know? Insert trivia about name of the TV show? I just found out that insert fact while watching name of the TV show last night." Using TV trivia in discussions can show that you are familiar with American or English-speaking culture, which is often closely tied to their television shows. It's a way to connect with others who have similar interests and to make your conversations more lively and interesting. You might be wondering, where can one find this trivia? TV trivia can be found in a number of places: online databases dedicated to television shows, special trivia books or magazines. DVD extras often contain trivia about the show or movie. Fan forums where enthusiasts discuss their favorite series. Remember, when you're searching for TV trivia, you're not just looking for facts, you're also immersing yourself in the English language. That's a wrap on TV trivia. I hope you've enjoyed exploring this topic as much as I have. Remember, learning English can be as entertaining as it is educational, and TV trivia is just one of the many ways you can make your learning experience more enjoyable. Keep practicing, stay curious, and don't forget to share your favorite piece of TV trivia with us in the comments below. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.